Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, let's open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice. And here we have screen recorder icon. Tap on it. As you can see, it started recording already for me. Right here, you can see this menu. You can also see it in notifications. But if you're opening the screen recorder up first time, it's gonna ask you for the bunch of permissions, and it's gonna ask you if you want to disable or enable the microphone. You can select the settings there and then tap start to start the recording. Here on this menu, you can tap on stop button to stop the recording. You can also tap on mic button right here to mute the microphone or unmute it. Once you're done recording, tap on stop. And it's gonna say that the recording was saved in the gallery. You can go to gallery, albums, videos, and here you have the screen recordings. You can also start the recording another way. To do it, go to settings. In settings, scroll down, select the accessibility features. Here select shortcuts and gestures, and then tap on record screen. Make sure that the record screen option is enabled. As you can see on my phone it is. And now to start the recording, simply double knock with 2 knuckles on your screen. Like this. And it's recording now, as you can see. And to stop the recording, of course, tap on stop button to save it. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.